Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin has arrived and I think most people have already gotten theirs. Somehow I was not getting my mail. So I think a lot of you have already seen your paper pumpkins, but I'm going to do an unboxing anyway because I have a couple subscribers who like to unbox it with me. And I think that's really fun that we unbox it together. So here it is. This is the June Life is Sweet paper pumpkin kit. I'm going to get a little piece of white here. Actually, I know that I have a little stamp detail photo in here, so I'll get it. Shy Shamrock is our Stampin' Spot, which is awesome because this has never been a Stampin' Spot before. So I like when I get some new spots. And then here is our kit. All right, look at, we've got some nice shimmery pearls. I love linen thread all the time. I got some on my desk right now, actually. I think I always have linen thread on my desk. So whenever that's in a kit, I'm happy. Okay. And here we have our linen thread and some tear tape. We've got dimensionals, glue dots, and self-adhesive pearls. Look at these envelopes. This is Peach Pie, Shy Shamrock, and Pretty in Pink envelopes with this really cute scallop detail. I love that. That's really fun. These are laser cut little embellishment pieces here, and there's some vellum in this pack as well. So I'm gonna actually keep this together, but I do want to show you that there's a sheet of vellum behind here as well. It's a nice quality vellum. That's the vellum cardstock. Did you know that vellum comes in paper and cardstock? It does, and Stampin' Up usually does the cardstock, but I thought maybe with paper pumpkin kits it might be the thinner vellum, but it is not. It is the thicker, which is really nice. All right, now here are our card bases. Here's one. It's got a kind of canvas palette knife look to it with Pretty in Pink. That's one card base. You get 3 of those. Okay, and then we have this one, same look, different color, and you get 3 of those. That's another base. And then we've got Peach Pie base. So there are 9 cards altogether. And then here are some, oh, look shimmery. Here are some more embellishments. So you've got this really cute scallop layering piece that kind of matches the envelopes. This really fun cutout, die cut piece, which is really nice. So you get 3 of all of those. And then here are the peaches that are made with kind of like a acrylic paint and a palette knife, kind of mixing them up, and you get this really fun look to that, like it's hand painted. Glimmer paper, and these are cut out to say thanks and hello, and you get and miss you. So there's miss you, thanks, and hello. 3 of each. Wait, there's more. Congrats, congrats, hello, miss you. Not thanks. I don't know why I thought that. Oh, I know why I thought that, because there's the optional add-on dies that say thanks. Here are some more vellum pieces. Again, it's that nice heavyweight vellum. Little leaves and cherries. I love cherries, so that is fun. And then this is the instruction sheet. Okay, here's why I thought it said thanks. I knew about this. So here's our stamp set, and you've got all of those pieces. So you've got thanks, and then you could put things with it like so much to celebrate, sending you a big squeeze, sweet friend, you're truly amazing, life is so much sweeter with friends like you, and wish you were here. So that is our stamp, and I love that they give us these now, so I can put them in a little, I put them in a little cello envelope like this, and I know what's in here. Okay, but I was telling you about an optional add-on, and this is what I'm talking about. There's an optional add-on that coordinated with the last 3 months worth of kits, and the thanks is in the same font as the miss you and the congrats and the hello. And so you can purchase this if you want to. You don't need it to make the kits because it already comes with those dies. I showed you those pre-cut out ones. But if you wanted to add to what you've already got, you can purchase this die set, and it coordinates nicely. And this one coordinated with 2 months back, and then this one coordinated with the month ago. So you've got all kinds of coordination going on. Now this one is still available. These are $12 for these little dies. Now if you are putting in an order, you know how Stampin' Up! Has that minimum $7.95 shipping. So my customers, I always say, if you want one of these dies, I can put them in with my group order. When I put in my next order, I can get an extra set of dies, and then I can ship those to you at the cost of like regular postage because they're pretty thin. Here, I'll show you one. I have it right here. This is Love of Spring. Which is the one before it. So this is the current, this was the one before. I still have one of these. I might have one of these here at my house already. I think I might have sold most of them, but I can always get more as long as they're still available. If you don't ever want to miss a kit, you should subscribe, because then you can go back and buy past kits. Like you can get, you know, maybe you've used up all of these pieces, but you still have this fun stamp set. You can order just a refill a lot of the times until while they last. They'll have refills available. And oh, there's lemons too. How did I miss that? Distracted myself. Oh, here they are. Lemons, cute. Okay, so anyway, there's refills available and dies available and all kinds of past kits available. So you should always check out, go to the online store and check out Paper Pumpkin kits, and then click on refills and coordinating products, and you'll see all kinds of fun things that go along with it. And if you're a subscriber, you're allowed to purchase those refills, so that's really fun. Here are the finished cards. Look at how pretty this one is with the lemons. I like that. Actually, I like all of them. What's my favorite? I want to say cherries just because cherries are my favorite. I'm going to say it is that one though. I love that little scallop detail that matches the envelopes. They're all really pretty though. This is a really pretty set. Life is Sweet, June 2024. If you missed out on this one, I don't believe there's full kits available in the online store. I think only refills are available. So if you missed out on this one and you wish you had it, let me know. I might have an extra kit for you. I always order extra kits, and I bring them to my stamp camp and put them out and have them available. But if you email me, I can see if I have one for you. Put it all back in here so I don't lose my pieces when I go to make this. What did I do with that spot? Oh no. All right, I'll have to find it. Oh, here it is. There we go. All right, I've got all my pieces together. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't want to ever miss a kit, I'll put a link in the video description on how to subscribe, and you can go ahead and subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and get one in your mailbox every single month. Next month is really pretty. It's got a watercolor look, it's a floral, and it also makes 9 cards. And then there's a whole new die set that comes with next month if you choose it. Now these dies, again, they're never needed to put the kits together. So if you don't have a little die cut machine, you don't need it. You can still put the kit together anyway. But I want to point out that this month, this is June, the little machine and the big machine are both on sale. So you can get these little cute machine, and it comes with the little plates required to I need to get new plates, don't I? It comes with the little plates required to cut out using those dies, and it's really small. I really love this one. So if you just want these little kits and you feel like having those big machines is just not in your budget, and you just like having these kits because they're quick and easy, this little guy might be for you. Now the big one is on sale too, and that one can do more, but if more is not your thing, the little guy is on sale too, and there's 2 colors. This white one is kind of an all-the-time color, but they have one that they put out as a promotional color last year in boho blue, which I don't have with me because it's in my classroom in a different building, but it's this color, boho blue. And they've actually marked that one down a little bit less. So normally, oh, I don't know how much these are. I'm going to pause the video and look it up. Here it is. Okay. So the mini machine is $66 normally, but it's currently on sale. It's in the 50s. I don't know exactly how much. It's actually, I think the white one is $59, but the boho blue one is like $57 or something like that. So, and it comes with the plates needed to use it. And so you're ready to go. The big one has more, it'll do more. But if you're just if you're just really loving these little kits with the paper pumpkin and you keep those and you want to use them long term, then this little guy is all you really need, because it's going to cut out little add-ons and extra to help you extend what you already have without breaking the bank. So anyway, I just want to put this out there because these are only on sale through June, which ends in just a few days. So if you missed this, let me know. I might have one for you. If you never want to miss one again, click the link to join Paper Pumpkin and get one in your mailbox every single month. And you know, you can always skip a month. So if you subscribe and you say, you know, I'm going to be out of town, or I've got a few boxes piling up, skip a month. Or if you say, you know, I don't really do, you find out that the one in, you know, maybe in September is going to be treats instead of cards, and you say, I don't really do treats very often, and I just like the cards. Well, then skip that next month. And you always get a little preview of what's coming, so you know if it's treats. Like I'm telling you right now that next month it's 9 cards. If it's treats, I would tell you it was treats. We don't see the full product. Even demonstrators don't see the final end cards until we get our kits too. It's just a fun little thing in your mailbox. They're not super expensive, and it's just a great little thing to have, and you add to your stamp collection, because they always really try to mix up the sentiments that are included in there and the spot colors. So after a while you end up with a nice little collection of spots. You can keep one of your boxes, and that could be where you store all your spots. You can keep another little box to store some of your stamp sets, and this could just be something you have on in your cabinet, and you can pull out whenever you need a card. And like I said, they vary the sentiments a lot, so you end up with a really great collection of sentiments. All right, that's it for Paper Pumpkin. That's all I have to say about it. I think they're really fun. Let me know if you have any questions, or click the link to join. And don't forget, the little guy is on sale at a really great price right now. Thanks for watching. Bye.